Add your clips into Capcut. Tap on transition and select vertical blur. Then apply it to all. Next, change the out animation of all the clips to fade out at 0.3 seconds. Now see the results. Tap overlay and add the white background. Rotate it 90 degrees and fit it to screen. Split and delete the excess parts. Tap blend and select overlay. Add keyframes at the end and at the beginning. Reduce the blend of the last keyframe to 0 and increase the one at the beginning to 100. Between the two keyframes, tap graph and select ease in 3. Next, add fade in animation to all the clips. Finally, copy the white background to all the clips. Let's delete the first overlay and remove the animation. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.